Is your TikTok shop order history feeling a bit overwhelming? Let's declutter it in under 90 seconds. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're on your main profile page by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile, look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Order. Go ahead and tap on that. This brings you to your main order dashboard to see your complete history. Tap on the All tab at the far right of this list. Here you'll see your entire purchase history. Find the specific order you want to remove from your history, and tap on it to open the order details. Once the order details are fully loaded, scroll all the way to the very bottom of the page. You will see an option in red text that says Delete Order. Tap on it. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure. Confirm your choice by tapping Delete again, and just like that, the order is gone from your history. Remember, you'll need to repeat these steps for each individual order you wish to remove. This action is permanent, so be certain before you delete. And that's it. Your TikTok shop history is now tidy and under your complete control.